This is the Poyo Kirpinja's music production. Pocket empty, bus fare high. Another day just passed me by. Rent overdue, phone no credit. Landlord shout, say don't forget it. Fridge and cupboard empty, still we smile when people pass by. Job search every single day, references and CV fade away. Office doors close again, hope feel weak but still remain. No money in town, no shame, we still play life's game. We fall down, we get up, hold our broken heart inside. Friends talk big about success, I just know, hide my stress within. Inside my heart feel heavy like stone. In this town I feel alone and lost. Night market food smell good, but looking is all I could do. No money in town, that's the name. Same old story, same old thing. No money in town, still proud. We don't bow to the crowd. Hard times don't define our weakness. The strength inside our minds still remain. Money come and money go, but who we are, that I know. We are more than what we earn. Hard lessons we all learn in life. No money in town tonight, still dreaming of better lights. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Today